In phonics this week, we're going to talk about soft C and soft G. Our learning target states, I can learn the sounds, spellings for soft C, soft G, and blend and decode words. In prior lessons, we've learned that G can make the sound G, like in goat. G can also make a soft sound, like J, J. J can be spelled a few different ways. J, G-E, G-I, D-G-E. All of these phonics patterns can make the J sound or the soft G sound. C is similar. It can also have a soft sound. We know that C can sometimes say k, k, like in cat, but it also has a soft sound, like s. S can be spelled with the following patterns: S, C-E, C-I, or S-S.